Hello everyone, in today's class we are going to see the difference between Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator are two fabulous software for artists because when Photoshop was introduced, it was purely developed for photography like color correction and photo editing. These two softwares have a lot in common, but their differences are bigger than their similarities. Photoshop is a pixel-based software and Illustrator is a vector-based software. What are pixel and vector? Pixel are which forms an image by stimulating points on the screen. Okay, let me go simple. Pixel use grid of small square picture elements for displaying graphics. For example, if we zoom a picture, we can see that the image is made up of thousands of individual pixels. Each pixel has a particular color value. Using that color value, the image is formed. Why it's getting pixelated? The total number of pixels in an image is always the same if we enlarge the image. That's the reason the image is being pixelated. In Photoshop, we can also draw lines, curves and polygons only by pixel approximation. What is vector? Vector are composed by parts like lines, curves and polygons, which incorporates geometric formula for rendering the image elements. To explain easy, vectors are based on mathematically defined lines and points which forms a shape. When vector graphics are scaled, the edge remains crisp and sharp, no matter what is the size. We saw what is pixel and vector. Now let me explain you what kind of softwares are Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Photoshop is a raster based software and uses pixels to create images, and it is designed for creating photos and editing photos. You may think about what is raster. Raster or bitmap image both are same, which describes an image details through a rectangular grid of pixel or dots. The image look almost the same in the Photoshop document when we rasterize it. When we zoom it, the pixels on the edge will no longer look smooth. Why we have to rasterize? Rasterizing a Photoshop layer converts vector layer to pixel. Vector layers creates graphics using lines and curves, so they maintain the clarity when you enlarge them. For example, in Photoshop, if you want to add any filters or to edit an image, you have to rasterize the layer. As I said before, this software was developed for photography. Over time, the software has grown to help all kinds of artists to do different kinds of work. Now, Photoshop is known to create interface design, web page design, banners, video graphics, for example, VFX Paint and Stereoscopic Paint. And the original use of Photoshop is editing images and creating images for print. Photoshop is not a best program for all types of artwork designs. Illustrator works off vectors used to create perfectly smooth lines. So, this software is good at artworks, especially logos and 2D character designs. Because vectors are scalable images that can be sized as small or as large, the clarity remains the same. Photoshop is not a best software for creating logos because we can't enlarge it or we can't manipulate as we can do in Illustrator. So, Illustrator is a software for creating logos, visiting cards, 2D character design and artworks. Illustrator can also edit photos but not good as Photoshop. So, this is the difference between Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.